I don't know when I get the fat thing, when I get the gas boy. It become the gas boy. Now you get the
guys, do you have pimples on your face? Have you been battling with pimples, acne, hyperpigmentation, terrible acne, sunburn, redness? Do you have a stubborn face that you have used a whole lot of things, it's not working for you? Do you find it so difficult to get this clean and spotless face like mine? Have you tried a whole lot of things and it's not working for you? Today we're going to be making a face mask. This mask is very active. It treats any any face reaction at all that has to do with pimples, acne. So it's very active. So if you want to know how I make this, please watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and also share with your friends. So let me introduce the powders we're going to use for this production. Okay, here we're going to be using our turmeric powder. You guys know there is no mask without turmeric powder. Once you want to treat pimples, acne, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, redness, etc., you need our turmeric powder because it has a lot of properties in treating those issues. Okay, so we're going to be using turmeric powder. So the next one we have here is neem powder. Neem powder helps a lot to treat dark spots, pimples, acne, hyperpigmentation, and it also helps with brightening the face. Okay, we're going to be using neem powder. So the next one we have here is cinnamon powder. Guys, this powder is very great when you want to treat your face, or you want to make a face wash, treatment face wash. You want to make treatment soap, like scrub. You need a cinnamon powder. It's very good. Cinnamon powder have a whole lot of properties. You have a whole lot of good properties. Here we have honey. You guys know that I can't make this mask without honey. Honey is very important. It helps a lot to moisturize the face, and also helps in treating acne on the face and redness. Okay, so we're going to be using honey. So the next one we have here is our aloe vera gel. So this aloe vera gel, if you have aloe vera the gel in your home, like the tree, you don't need to get this. You just make use of that one because it's even more better than this. Okay, so if you're lucky enough you have it at home, it's very perfect. And you can even use only aloe vera to get rid of dark spots, pimples, redness, hyperpigmentation, sunburn. Like, you can use only aloe vera gel to get rid of them. Okay, so if you have aloe vera gel in your home, this is what you will do. Every morning, apply aloe vera gel, extract the juice out from it, and apply it on your face. Okay, apply it on your face and leave it. Okay, if it's in the morning, maybe you want to go out, you can wash it off. But if it's at night, you don't need to wash it off. Okay, just apply it and leave it like that. So when you're using this aloe vera to get rid of those pimples on your face, you don't need any whitening or whitening face cream. You just have to focus on this. Use it every now and then. Okay, you're going to get rid of those things in no time. Okay, so aloe vera is very good. It has a whole lot of good properties. Okay, you can give it a try. So of course, here I have my mixing bowl, and here is my measuring spoon. So in this spoon, we're going to be using 7.5 ml to do this in each powders 7.5 ml. Okay, so here is my turmeric powder. I'm going to using this 7.5 ml. I'm going to take 2. Okay, I'm going to be using 2. What? Oh, sorry guys. Okay, it's okay like this. So the next I have here is my cinnamon powder. Okay, I'm going to take 1. Okay, next one I have here is my neem powder. Guys, this neem powder is very good. If you want to make a black soap, treatment black soap, or face wash, treatment face wash, you really need this because it helps a lot. It's full of treatment. Okay, so you really need it. Okay, so this is it. This is the 3 powder here. This is my cinnamon powder, turmeric powder, and my neem powder. Okay, so in this mixture, if you want to add milk, just maybe peak milk, any milk at all, but even if it's powder, you can add it into this. It helps a lot. Milk helps a lot to glow the face and moisturize, and also helps to brighten the face. Okay, so you can add milk here if you wish, but my face is not bad, so I have no reactions, nothing like pimples or dark spots, nothing. But I like using this once in a while. Okay, they say prevention is better than cure. Like, I don't joke with my face at all, so I would take care of, like, good care of my face. Okay, because before someone see you, like when someone sees you, the first place they will look at is your face. Okay, so your face needs to look good, you know. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Please support your girl. Just click that red button and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell below so you will be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. And remember, this channel, you are free to request for any video. Okay, you're free to request for any video and I will do that. Okay, so here is my aloe vera gel. Okay, so we're gonna add aloe vera gel. This is 5 ml. Okay, so I'm gonna take this 2. Okay, this is 1, right? And this is 2. Okay, I'll go ahead and add my honey. Okay, I'll go ahead and add my honey. Okay, I'm gonna take just 1. Please make sure you use pure honey, original honey. Okay, it's very important. Okay, this is just 1 spoon. I'm gonna use 1 spoon for this. So you go ahead and mix this together. This mask is very active and is affordable. It's something you can do at home. Okay, like I said, if you don't have money to get this cinnamon powder, turmeric powder, and lemon and neem powder, and these powders, they have like the one of 500 200, I think, so it's affordable. But if you don't have money for that, you can just use aloe vera gel. But aloe vera gel takes time, like it takes time before you start seeing the results, so you have to be patient. Okay, but with this mixture, within a few weeks or days, depending on your skin, and if you're scrubbing, within a few days you'll be able to see the perfect results. Okay, this is the texture here, and if you don't want yours to be this thick, like you want yours to be lighter than this, it's fine. You can go ahead and add more of your honey. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and apply this. This is our mixture. This is how it looks like. Like I said, if you want to make this in a large quantity, like you want to sell, or you want to be using this in your spa, okay, so you can make this in a large quantity, and make sure the customer uses it in just 1 week or a weekend. Okay, so I'll go ahead and apply this to my face. Okay guys, this is the mask. I'm done applying it to my face, and the only disadvantage here is that turmeric powder is going to stain your space, like the place you're doing this. So if you want to apply this in your face, you have to go to your bedroom and just bed down and apply it. This is my mask, and I'm going to go ahead and leave this to stay on my face for just 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, it's not gonna harm your face, it's not harsh, it's just a treatment and brightening and glowing the face. So after 20 minutes, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks like. So guys, this is 30 minutes and I've washed it off. So this is morning, and I'm going to use my vitamin C serum. Okay, if it's at night, I would have used my face cream, but it's morning, so this is my vitamin C. So I'm going to use it. So this is it. See how my face is glowing. So you can do this 2 times in a week. It's okay. So guys, this is the end of the video. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. Bye.